Adding a link to an image in your WordPress website allows you to make the image clickable, leading visitors to a specific page, post, or external URL. This is useful for creating image-based navigation or call to action buttons. Here's how to do it. Add link to an image in WordPress editor. Edit your post or page. Log into your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Posts, All Posts or Pages, All Pages. Click Edit on the post or page where you want to add the clickable image. Insert image. In the editor, click on the plus button to add a new block. Select the image block, then either upload an image or choose an existing one from the media library. Add the link. After inserting the image, click on the image to select it. In the block toolbar, click the link icon. Enter the URL you want the image to link to. Set link behavior. You can choose to open the link in a new tab by checking the Open in New tab option. Save or update. After adding the link, click Update to save your changes. Manually add link in HTML. If you're familiar with HTML, you can add the link manually using the following code.